All right, so today we're taking a look at the stocks for the day. That's sort of top watch list stocks that we trade every single morning. It is November 27th, 2017. Okay, hey there, Marley. Maybe give me a sound check in the chat room. Make sure you can hear me. All right, so actually we just use the Slack chat. We chat in the day trading channel. It's easier that way. People can follow along that are not in the stream as well. As not everyone can watch the stream, so we try to keep everything in the day trading channel. Awesome. All right, so first things first, I am going to be live streaming here on YouTube for the next 15 minutes, just as I go over some of the stocks that we're going to be watching today, some of the plays, and this should give people a little bit of an understanding into what the day trading channel and what our chat room is like here at activetraders.chat. Moj on the YouTube is asking what's the link for the day trading channel. Just go ahead and take a look at the info there in the description. You'll see activetraders.chat. You sign up for a free trial there and you'll get access to our Slack live room. So this is our Slack live room here. Man, these things, this stream is a little bit delayed. I can't really change the delay right now, but yeah, so this is our live Slack room. This is where we post all of our information on stocks, post the scanners in the morning, and also we take a look at the nightly watch list, something that I put together here for members every single day. And it's basically inside of our members area, you get access to the nightly watch list, the daily trade recaps and everything that we traded throughout the day, and also live recordings of the full day. Something that I don't really see other people offering is I actually record my screen while I trade, and you get to see it, the full day's recording there before it's finished. Now, nightly watchlist analysis, we have a few stocks up on board here: XNet, FENG, EXTR, TDOC, and NKTR. And this morning I added CLNT and DMPI. CLNT had a really nice jump. If I scroll down here, you'll see some of the analysis that we have and some of the charts that we're highlighting for today's market session. Really interesting one actually is EXTR. So EXTR is putting in a classic bull flag pattern. It's something that's been forming all day long yesterday. Initially, they had that full day push in the morning up to $14. And then from $14, we had a bit of a bear consolidation that broke out and has now been creating, bouncing up and around the moving averages. And what we're looking for in a pattern like this, once again, is a break of that $14 mark, the top of the bull flag marked by the high of day. And if you watch the video for day trading strategies for beginners on YouTube, you'll know that this pattern is one of the patterns that we look for in the market. bull flag pattern break is one of the most, I think it's one of the most profitable patterns there are right now. And one of the other things that we look for, one of the key things that we look for is volume coming in, volume increasing as the break of the channel of the bull flag occurs. So today in the live room, that's exactly what we're going to be looking at. And where is TDOC? Okay, so we have TDOC EXTR right here. So this is live right now, and you can see that we actually had a print all the way up at 1440, which tells us there's a lot of buyers waiting to jump into this move. It is likely that for the open, we are going to gap up above this move, up above $14. And inside of the review, we talk about the entry opportunities. Number one, first entry opportunity is that price opens up a little bit lower, bounces off of the trend line here, giving us an opportunity to get in long, and then gearing up with increasing volume. We could buy into this move, protecting ourselves with a stop underneath the bottom trend line and looking for a break to the upside, which would give us really multiple risk-reward ratio, multiple R's, I should say, in our favor. Exactly what we're looking for. However, it is likely that price is going to open up over the $14, and if that does, that's fine. We're still bullish on the stock, and we'd like to see a pullback to $13.99 before getting in long, and we can also risk off underneath the bottom trend line. Alternatively, if we have a sell-off, we want to be long above 13.77, and we want to be short under 13.77. So look for a test and retest of 13.77 to get short in a stock like EXTR. Okay, so other stocks that we're watching, we had an absolutely parabolic move in FENG. This thing went absolutely nuts in yesterday's session, and today we're going to take a look at, so this is FENG. This is yesterday's trading session right here, and the gray area is the pre-market session from today and the pre-market session from yesterday. It had a massive move. And so today, if I take a look at the daily chart, you can see the size of this candle that it put in. This is what I like to call the parabolic sword of bearish divergence, because this thing pops up, creates insane bearish divergence. So bearish divergence on the RSI, we have the RSI overbought, but there's a lower point on the chart with a higher RSI, which gives us that divergence signal, telling us that when this thing turns around, it's going to be pretty strong. I've marked off $8.37 there as an area where price could really turn around. So we'll see if price maybe gets a little bit strong into the open, and then maybe sells off from 1837 downward. Either way, this is going to be a really nice short play. Very, very nice short play. And if it continues higher, then we'll look for red to green moves, pullback patterns, consolidation moves, basically things that we teach in the live room. All right, another stock that we're looking for is TDOC. TDOC, fantastic mover here in yesterday's session. Very similar to EXTR, where we had that morning spike up to 33.75, and then now we're looking at a bull flag pattern. Classic bull flag pattern. Again, if you don't know what the bull flag pattern is, go take a look at my video. Take a look at my channel on Delta Trader, and you'll see that we have a video called 4 Day Trading Strategies for Beginners, and that explains all of the patterns as a basis that you need to understand in order to get a good grasp around this day trading concept. And the stocks that we trade every morning are very low float stocks, small to medium cap, NASDAQ stocks, stocks that make these types of, moves in the morning, sometimes 20, 30%, sometimes 100% in a day. And it is not, it's sometimes a weekly occurrence where you hear maybe the big stocks in the news that make all the moves. These are the ones that are moving every day, and these are the ones that are paying us every single day. That is why I am a full-time trader, because I take advantage of these moves and I use patterns and market auction theory and volume analysis to make sure that we're catching these trades when we can. Okay, and for you guys there in the YouTube stream, I am going to jump off the stream in a couple minutes here, but I'll let you know where you can head over to if you are interested. If you are interested in joining the chat room here with us this morning, I trade every day at 9 a.m. Eastern time is when I jump on the live stream. We have a live broadcast where I share the screen. We have a trading chat community here on Slack. It's a private community, and we also teach market auction theory, volume profile analysis, market structure, order flow analysis, as well as a bunch of other resources that you'll get. And all you have to do is jump over here, head over to the activetraders.chat and hit start a free trial. And no credit card required on this trial. Is something that was very difficult to put together because every subscription service is looking for credit card information, which is, I think, a big put off to a lot of people. I just want to get you in the room and have you see how important all this stuff is and to your trading. And have you see me make money every single day in the market. So start your 7-day free trial. You can set up your username, your first name, last name there, and we ask for your phone number for verification. That is the only thing that we ask for. And then after that, you're able to jump in and select a plan. Once you have had your 7-day free trial, you can come back to plans page and you can continue joining us for these pricings here, and you can save 10 or 15%. Now, I am going to have a Black Friday sale coming up as well. So if you are in the chat room with us in the live room and you are on a free trial, I suggest you take advantage of that Black Friday discount that I'll be sending out to all of the people inside of our free trial right now. Cool. All right, so let's get going here. Thanks for joining us on the live stream. Once again, check out the videos on DelaTrader on my channel there, and you'll see some of the ways that we trade, some of the setups that we use, what market auction theory is, that type of thing. But for the most part, we're going to get started here on the trading day, and I hope to see you guys in the live room. See you later, YouTube, and we'll continue here inside of our members area live stream.